Gold day, everyone. Jinfrix here. Welcome to another session of the Trading Grimoire. In this session, we'll discuss about the bulls, the bears, and the farm. Okay, aside from the beast, we have the farm. Okay, kita naman natin dito, we have the two beasts and the farm, the baboy and the manok. Okay, so what type are you? Saan ka dito? No? Are you the bear? Are you the bull? Or ikaw ba yung farm? Okay? Tingnan natin. So, ano ba itong mga, ano na to, ng mga, the beast and the farm. So, bull, bears, and the farm. The bears. So, sino ba yung mga the bears? Bearish outlook. So, sila yung mga pessimistic na they expect the price to go down. Yeah. Gusto nilang bumagsak. Yun yung si bears. So, then the bulls naman, so bullish outlook, so optimistic to sila. So expect price to go up. Okay? So sila yung mga nag-expect na laging go up lang yung price. Okay? At least alam na natin. So the bears expect the price to go down, the bulls expect the price to go up. So laging naglalaban yung bulls and bears. 'Di ba? So sila yung sa market pa, sila yung naglalaban-laban na. Pag nanalo si Bears, the price will continue to go down. And pag nanalo mo si Bull, diba, the bullish will take over. So, si price, shoot up yon. Then we have the farm. Ano ba yung the farm? So, sa mga hindi pa nakarinig nito, sikat to sa, sa mga stock market, mga ganon. So, doon ko nakuha to sa stock market. Nang nag-stocks pa ako. Okay? So, ano ba yung nasa farm? Number one is the chickens. Ano ba yung chicken? Pag sinabi natin chicken, chicken ka. So you're afraid to lose anything. Your fear overrides your profitability. Yung takot ka, 'di ba? Takot kang mag-invest, takot kang magtalpak diyan, no? Meron din pang isa, yung the pigs. No, ito yung mga high-risk investors looking for big profits in a short period. So, anong type ka kaya? Ito yung mga impatient, greedy, tapos emotional about their investment or kung emotional trader ka, yun yun. Drawn to high risk investments without putting the proper time and education to learn. Then, from their losses, the bulls and bears reap their profits. So, saan nagkakapera yung bulls and bears? Dito sa farm. Kaya nga tinatawag natin to, no, yung slaughter, no, slaughterhouse. Laging na-i-slaughter. 'Di ba? Yung chicken tsaka pig. So dito naman sa chicken, hindi masyadong malalaki yung losses kasi yun nga, chicken siya, hindi siya masyadong ma-aggressive. Unlike this pig, ito yung mga baboy, it's the greedy ones. Okay, so if you're an emotional trader, like pag-spike, nagwa 1 minute time frame ka, nagpa 5 minute time frame ka dahil gusto mo mabilis yung kita mo. Don't be the farm. Kasi yung pig na yan, high risk investment. Gusto nila one time, big time. Like, if you flip yung mga accounts, mga ganun. So, dun nagkakapera yung mga bears and bulls. Kasi ito yung mag-set ng mga stop loss. So, every transaction may stop loss and take profit. So, si pig dyan, maglalagay ng stop loss, like 20 pips, 30 pips lang. So, kakainin yon, no? So, may pagkain na yung bear and tsaka bull, si pig. Okay? And also, ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. I'm very happy dahil uh, it, these sessions or itong program natin will lead you to kung farm kayo dati, maging beast na kayo, maging bull or bear na kayo. Because dito kasi si pig, they don't invest proper time and education, no, to learn. But for you, sa mga nakikinig dito, you are investing your time and your resources in order for you to learn the system dito sa Forex. Okay? Ang ating mga baboy at chicken. So bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs just get slaughtered. Yan yung magandang kasabihan na dun sa stock market nyo tumahanap na bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs just get slaughtered. So, what type are you? Are you a pig? Are you the farm? Or ikaw yung beast ng financial market? So, be very, very careful. No? So, yung mga characteristic ni pig, wag nyo nang you know, wag nyo nang i-apply sa sarili nyo. Okay? Make sure you don't get into the market before you are ready. Okay, be conservative and never put money in anything you do not understand. So just a gentle reminder lang para sa lahat. Ah, ulitin natin. Make sure you don't get into the market before you are ready. Be conservative and never put money in anything you do not understand. Okay, huwag kayong maging aggressive. Huwag kayong magmadali. Huwag kayong magmadaling maging profitable. Forex trading takes time. You need to study. You need to make efforts to control your emotions. Kailangan yung mag-build ng good habits, healthy habits para sa emotionally healthy habits, mental habits na hindi kayo ma-dismaya in with regards to losses, mga ganon. Okay? So kung hindi pa kayo ready, wag muna kayong mag-trade, sayang pera. Okay, even if that's a $10 or $100 account, just don't trade if you're not ready. Okay? So, good day everyone, and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa short session ng Bulls, Bears, and the Farm. Diba? So, I hope na hindi na tayo maging farm and we become the beast of the financial market.